Hello, I'm in a 2013 Subaru Impreza, and today I'm going to show you how you would open the hood. So from the driver's side, we'll go down here, and you should see a lever right here that will pull, that will release the hood safety. And if this is just completely loose, double check that this cable is attached. If that's loose or not connected, you might need to address that. We'll go up to the front. Now that we pulled that, this should be slightly loose now, which it is. And then there's a lever here we're going to push and lift. So push and lift. And then there's a little arm here you can use to help hold the hood up. Sorry for the camera work here. There we go. And then this little arrow is where that would lead to. This is that lever that was pushing what it looks like. Double check it's not bent or broken, no debris stuck in here that needs cleaned out. If it's really sticking, you might need to try some WD-40 to loosen it. This is what it's hooked onto here. And then also double check your hood's in proper alignment, because if it's crooked, that could also cause issues. But I hope this was helpful, and I hope you have a wonderful day.